Look, in the already first chapter I explained about borrowing subtraction. It is also in the fourth chapter, okay? But the difference is there we have done only 2-digit numbers borrowing subtraction. Here we have to do 3-digit number, okay? We have already done 3-digit number normal subtraction, but borrowing subtraction of 3-digit number we have not done. So first put the date 8th of July. CW. Okay. Then give heading borrowing subtraction. In bracket just write of 3-digit number. 3-digit number. NO dot means number, okay? NO dot means number. Okay, now let me explain this one. All of you given the heading? Shake your head if you have given. Acha, Swachatwa, I am calling the name Orindam Shougato. Orindam Shougato Swachatwa, okay? Just listen to me very carefully. Huh? I will ask after explaining. Okay, after the explanation, I will ask these 3 students. Huh? Orindam, Shwachato, and Shougato. Acha, Shwachato given heading after this done to? No. Write fast. No need to write this. Are you writing this one? No need to write this right now. I'll explain. Okay. Just give the heading. Okay, now let me explain. Okay. Now this is the question, okay? Question is given 942. We have to subtract 563 from this 942. Basically, borrowing subtraction of 2-digit, you know. The same process we will have to follow, but for 3-digit. That means we have to continue the same process. Okay, how? Look, this one is given 2. This is 1's place. This is 10's place. This is 100 place. Okay. In 1's place, it is 2. 2 is less than 3. Yes, Tom. Look at this. 2 is less than 3. So first and foremost thing, we have to make 2 larger. Yes. Shake your head. So these 2, if we want to make it larger, then we'll cut this and we have to borrow 1 from this 4, right? So it will becoming 12. Yes, Tom. Up to this clear? Okay. Now we have to count after 3 till 12. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 9 places are there, right? So we have to put this 9 over there. This one is clear, I think. Yes, to? Shake your head. Acha, okay. Now, as we have borrowed 1 from this 4, so ultimately this 4 will remain same. No, na? This 4 will be becoming 3. Yes. Now again, still this 3 is less than this 6. Yes, this is already the cut. This 3 is less than this 6. So what to do? We have to make this smaller one larger. Okay. So again we have to borrow the same process. Borrow from which number? This 9. Basically here is 900 are there. We have to borrow 100. Then it will becoming 800. And here 100 will go on and 3 tens. That means it will becoming 13. Understood? So, and this 9 will be becoming 8. Okay. Now just start to counting. Start to count after 6 till this 13. Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7 places. We have to put this 7 over there. Done this one. Here, after 5, start counting till 8. 6, 7, 8, no? Only 3 places, so 3 will be there. Is it clear to all of you? Acha, where is Shaugato? Shaugato, is it clear? Yes or no? Shake your head. Good, very good. Acha, Ifra, where is Ifra? Ifra and Jubair, Jinia. Is it clear? Jinia, clear to? Good, good, okay. Now just write it. Basically, this is the original number, okay? Minus this one. Complete this one. Then I will move for the next one. Have you written? Jubair Khan? Okay. Then also I am waiting for 1 minute. Acha, if you have done this, now you have already taken out your copy too. In your copy, you have to solve page number 55 sum, huh? Page number 55, but not in book. Okay? Book में मत करना. Copy पे करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? And I'll check each and everyone's copy. मैं हर एक का कॉपी चेक करूंगी, ठीक है? ওকে, আমি সবার কপি চেক করব। I have already told it in English, Bengali, Hindi. हिंदी, इंग्लिश, बंगाली तीनों लैंग्वेज में बोल दिया, हाँ? कोई मिस्टेक नहीं होना चाहिए। Look at this. Do it in copy. I have already mentioned the page number. Page number is 55. Okay. Till you are not doing it book. Okay. Do it in your copy. You have to write all the thing. Do it. One by one, let me explain now. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9. There are 9 questions. 9 questions are there. Okay. Number 1, let me explain first. What is given? 628 minus 19. Look at this. This 8 is less than this 9. So we have to make it 18. How? From 2 we have borrowed 1. As we have borrowed 1, this one is becoming 18. But this 2 will be becoming 1. No? Already we have taken out 1 from this 2. So it will be 1. Now look at this. It is very much clear. After 9, start counting till 18. Okay. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 9 places are there. So 9. Now, after 1, start counting. Till which number? Till this 1, not this 2. Already you have cut, huh? So 1 minus 1, same number, it will be 0. Then after 0, if we subtract 0 from any number, ultimately that number will be back, right? So why? Because if we start to count after 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So look, only that 6 number is coming now. 6 places are coming now. So if we subtract from any number 0, then ultimately that number will be back. So it will becoming 609. Okay. This one I am making you understand. No need to write this one. Okay. ये part लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. सिर्फ write the answer. अच्छा, now let me explain number 2. At first write number 1. Number 2 I am explaining. Okay. 335. Achha, let me explain it over there. Look, 5 is there. So we have to cut this 5. It will becoming 15. Right? After 6, start to counting till 15. Start counting. It will be 9 place. Okay. So 9 is over there. Now, as we have borrowed 1 to make it 15, so this 3 will be becoming 2. Yes, Tom. So after 1, start counting till 2. Only 1 place. Now 3 minus 2, 1. Write it. Write number 2, then number 3 I'll explain. Done. 1 and 2 done. Completed 1, 2. Rahat, 1 and 2 completed. Good. Okay. Now let me explain number 3, third one. I am zooming it. Acha, okay, look. It is 0. 0 is less than this 5. So definitely we should make it large. Look, we have made it 10. Now, how we have made it 10? We have borrowed 1 10 from here, from this 8. So this 8 will also be becoming 7. Okay, now at first do this one. After 5, start to count 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically there are 5 places. So 5 is there. Now this 8 already becoming 7. So this one is very much important. Look. But again this 7 is less than this 8. Na? So again we have to make this large. Yes. 7 is less than 8. So again we have to make this large. Yes or no? Understood or not? Orko Priya? Clear or not? Spondon? Jennifer? Okay. Okay. Then it will be 17. Look. We have borrowed again 1 from this 4. Basically from 400 we have taken 100. So how many hundreds are remaining? 3. Cut and 3 is remaining over there. Now after 8, start counting till 17. It will be 9 place. And after 1, start counting till this 3. It will be 2. Understood? 295. Okay, complete number 1, 2 and 3. Then I'll move for number 4. Achha, okay, now let me explain fourth one. It is 225 minus 116, right? I am explaining this fourth one. Okay. Look at this. This 5 is less than this 6. So we have to make it big. It will becoming 15. How? This one we have got from this 2. Yes. Now this 2 is becoming 1. Bas. Done. Now normal subtraction. Just normal counting. After 6, start to count till 15. After 1, start to count till this 1. After this 1, start to count till this 2. Okay. It will be 9. It will be 0. It will be 1. 109. Right number fourth one. Done number fourth one. If done, then shake your head. No, Jennifer, no. Acha, okay. No issue. I'm waiting. Almashuddin, Orkopriya, Afroz. Done. Okay. Ankush, Otrin Akhtas. Acha, okay, okay. I am waiting for 1 more minute. Then I'll move for the fifth one. Okay, now done. Now let me do the fifth one. Okay, it is given 322 minus 219. Look, these two will be coming 12. One we have borrowed from these two. So these two will be becoming 1. The same rule, even I am explaining for each and every sum. Now start counting after 9 till this 12. 3 places will be there. Again start counting after 1 till this 1. 1 minus 1, same number. So it will be becoming 0. Now 3 minus 2, it will be becoming 1. Okay. Okay তো? আচ্ছা, good. Atreyi done? Good. Acha, where is Rabiul Islam, Aryan Ahmad? Have you completed? Let me check. Aryan, what are you doing? Shakibuddin, Sadiq Farhan done? Okay, just shake your head. Atrin and Shakibuddin, you can just shake your head if yes. Acha, okay, good. Now let me move for 6, number 6. It is 422 minus 213. Look at this. We have to make this large because 2 is less than 3. So it will be coming 12. Yes, Tom. Now we have borrowed 1 from this 2. So this 2 will also be becoming 1. Now normal counting. After 3, start counting till 12. Then after 1, start counting till this 1. Then after 2, start counting till this 4. Okay. So what will be the answer? If we count this one after 3 till 12, it will be 9 places. 1 minus 1, same number, 0. 4 minus 2. After 2, 3 and 4, 2 place only, 209. Okay. The 6th one, right? Completed up to this. Completed. Now let me check the copy. Those who have completed, the name I am calling. The name I am calling, they will show me their copy. Rahat, Sakibuddin, Shwachatoa. These 3 students show me the copy. Okay. Up to 6, Tom. Rahat, show me your copy in front of the camera. Acha, then Orkopriya. Okay. Jubair Khan, Atreyi. Atreyi, if you have not completed, then at first complete, then show me your copy. I have seen. Acha, then Jennifer, Jubair, Afroz Ali. Jennifer, Jubair and Afroz Ali. Okay. Almashuddin, Orindam. Almashuddin not completed. Okay, then complete first. Aryan Ahmad, Ankush, Orindam, Rab. Othin Akhtar, Sadiq Farhan. Othin, Sadiq, Faya, Jinia. Okay, I've seen. Jinia, show me your. Sadiq, why have you done in book? I told for so long that not to do in book. Sadiq, I told you na, you have to do in copy. কপিতে করার জন্য বলেছিলাম অনেকবার, হিন্দি, বেঙ্গলি, ইংলিশ 3টে ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজেই বলেছি। সৌগত, আইমান কারণ, সমৃদ্ধ রয়, অরিন্দম রয়, আলিয়া ইয়াসমিন. These 4 students. সমৃদ্ধ, yes, Orindam, good. Okay. Fatia, yes, I have seen. Alia, acha, okay, I have seen all the copies. Now let me explain number 7, 8 and 9. Acha, already 7 I am not doing over there. You have to do it. It is your homework. Okay. Don't worry, it will be uploaded in the assignment section also. Why it is your homework? Because 7, look at the copy, the first subtraction, borrowing subtraction of 3-digit number. That question was only this one, which I explained. I made the explanation. Now look at this one. Okay. So I have not done this again. Now number 8 and 9. Let me explain number 8 and 9. Achha, it is given 543. Let me zoom in, then I am explaining. Look at this. It is given 543. Okay. Or Priya, if you have done all the question, then no issue. Look at this again. Okay. Yes, Pandan, I have seen your copy. Okay. Now just look. It is 3 less than this 4. So we have to make it large. It will be 13. We have borrowed 1 from this 4. So this 4 will be becoming 3. Yes. Now normal counting. After 4 count, start to count till 13. Then after 2, start to count till this 3. Then after 2, start to count till this 5. This one is also same. 4 is given. We have to consider this as 14. We have borrowed 1 from this 4. So it will be becoming 3. Now normal counting. Complete it. Completed. Those who cannot complete, now let me show you the full page, the full screen. Okay. There is also 2 more sum, 10 and 11. Okay. At first, let me show you 2 and 11. Tomorrow I will do at first. Complete up to this. Only up to 9 today. Huh? Tomorrow I will complete 10 and 11. Understood? I'm showing you the full screen, full page. Complete it first. I will wait for 2 minutes only. Complete up to this. I will wait for 2 minutes. Complete this within 2 minutes, because after 2 minutes, I will unmute all of you and I'll check again each and everyone's copy. Okay. So one more thing, let me explain. While I am checking the copy by calling your name, okay, that time I am taking your attendance. Okay. So I'll not take the attendance at the end of the class. When I'll check your copy by calling your name, that time I'll take the attendance also. Okay. Now complete it.